How to change the figure size of a Seaborn axis or figure level plot. How do I change the size of my image so it's suitable for printing? For example, I'd like to use to A4 paper, whose dimensions are 11.7 inches by 8.27 inches in landscape orientation.
You can set the context to be poster or manually set fig_size. You need to create the matplotlib figure and axis objects ahead of time, specifying how big the figure is.
You can also set figure size by passing dictionary to ASCII parameter with key figure.figsize in Seaborn set_team method, which replaces the set method, deprecated in version 0.11.0, September 2020. Other alternative may be to use figure.figsize of params to set figure size as below. More details can be found in matplotlib documentation.
First, import matplotlib and use it to set the size of the figure.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.